All right, so you need a level a teaspoon of your bicarbonate soda and put that on a piece of paper. Now there is a video explaining how to create a paper funnel if you don't have a plastic funnel. So we need to put our bicarbonate soda in the balloon. So Henry's just he didn't watch the video, we just kind of made this up as we went along, but you need to get that bicarb soda into the balloon. Okay, so it might take you a little while to get it in. But be patient. You might need two people to do this, one person to hold open the balloon and the other person to hold the funnel. Try not to do what Henry's doing and spilling the bicarb soda on the table. We want to get as much of that in the actual balloon as possible, so just be patient with it. Might take a little while to do. And eventually we'll get all the bicarb soda in the balloon, which he's almost getting there. Your paper funnel or your proper funnel will be a lot more efficient than what ours was, because we actually found the video after we did this. Okay, so once the bicarb soda is in the balloon, which ours now is, you can start the next part of the experiment, which is filling up your bottle with half a cup of vinegar. So you need a measuring cup to measure out that half cup of white vinegar, and you need to put it in your one bottle. Now, the bottle has to be the same size for all of your experiments, because otherwise we can't compare all of them, because the reaction, it will fill up the volume, so we need the volume to be the same. So I know you can see here that we're measuring out only 2 or 3 cupfuls of vinegar, but we want you to actually measure out half a cup and put that in your 600 ml bottle. So we'll just wait for Henry to do that. So remember, not 3 cupfuls, but half a cup. But you need to put that in the bottom of your 600 ml bottle. Now you're going to rinse this out every time you do it. You're going to then put your balloon securely over the top of the bottle. Now we decided that we wanted a bit more vinegar in there, so Henry's going to put a little bit more in. Once you have your half a cup of vinegar in the bottom of your Pepsi bottle or your Coke bottle or water bottle, whatever, the one that you're going to use for all of them, you can then put your balloon on top of your bottle like that. Okay? And once you have then put your your balloon on your bottle with your half a cup of vinegar, you're then going to tip the balloon up and all the bicarb soda is going to fall into the vinegar. And you can see the reaction is starting to take place here. And you will see we get a lot of fizzing action going on, and the balloon is being blown up by what's happening when we put the vinegar and the bicarb soda together. Now you're just going to wait for the vinegar bicarb soda reaction to stop. It will eventually stop when you see all of the bubbles disappear. So at the moment it's still occurring. You can see that it is starting to stop now. You can give the bottle a bit of a shake if you want, but it won't expand anymore because all of the bicarbonate soda has actually been used up. Once the reaction has stopped, you will then measure the circumference of the balloon to work out how big how the circumference, and we're going to use that as our measurements that we put into our table.